How to fix icons disappearing from desktop on Windows 10 and Windows 11. To fix icons disappearing from desktop on Windows 10 and Windows 11, try 1. Enable the Show Desktop Icons option from the context menu. 2. Turn on desktop icons for the computer, users files, network, recycle bin, and control panel. 3. Select Use Tablet Mode from When I Sign In menu. 4. Restart Windows Explorer via Task Manager. 5. Run sfc/scanno command as admin. 6. Update graphics drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 7. Run Reset Tool on your Windows PC. 8. Install the latest Windows updates.